Hey Rajeti Warriors, I'm back with a brand new review, this time for the Caramel Apple Cheesecake Blizzard. I have to say, this thing is melting off the side. By the way, I was setting this thing up and I was like, holy cow, man, this is gonna be insane just to try this out. So let me do this really quick. Man, this is over the top. So I'm going to get into this really quick, and here we go. So I got to get a bit of a scoop. Oh. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Wow. Wow, this is just insane. Hold on. I gotta get a bit of that apple. Sorry if my microphone's not in the background most of the time. I'm just trying to get this situation dealt with before it gets worse. A lot of it's just melting all over the place. Holy cow. It's really good. Most of it's just turned into a milkshake at this point. By the way, it's actually like in between 10 and 11, so the ice cream is barely soft. Yeah, and so that's what you're going to get with this. If you ordered that early in the morning. But the apple pieces with that cheesecake, it is so worth it. And if you have a local Dairy Queen, you should go to one. I went to Aberdeen's today because they got really nice seats outside. And it's worth the time filming out here than it is inside with the copyrighted music. But would I get another one of these? Probably. But they're only available this month in the month of August. So you better get one while supplies last. So anyways, if you enjoyed this food review, do yourself a favor and click the like button. Leave a comment below the screen. Please subscribe to this channel as Rajeti Warriors is here to stay. Please click the notification bell for new content coming to this channel. Support the cause at patreon.com/Rajeti Warriors by Raja Films. And until next time, peace and subscribe for more. Oh, it was so worth it. Peace.